Hello, my name is Solomon. Welcome to Trader Flexi. In this video, we'll discuss about market orders. What is market order? Market orders are orders you place from your trading platform to inform your broker about the price of an instrument you want to buy or sell. Let's start. Market execution. This is an order you place and is open immediately. Your orders are filled on the spot. What is a stop order? A stop order prevents an order from executing until price reaches the stop price. There are two types of stop orders, which are entry stop and exit stop. Example, stop loss. Stop loss are exit stop protective orders you put in your pending or open position to protect your trade from excessive loss if your trade was not profitable. What is take profit or stop profit? Take profit or stop profit are exit stop orders you put in your open or pending orders to close your trade in profit. Buy stop. This is an entry stop order you place above market price to open a buy position when price rises above the level. Explanation. This order is placed at a higher market price when you feel market will reach that price and continue trading up. Sell stop. Opposite of buy stop. This is an entry stop order you place below market price to open a sell position when price falls below that level. Explanation. This order is placed at a lower market price when you feel market will reach that price and continue trading down. What is trailing stop? Trailing stop are exit stop orders used in locking profits of an open position or trade. This stop moves when order is in profit from entry and takes partial profits of an open trade. What is limit order? Limit orders are a combination of stop orders and pending orders you place to buy above or below market price. Example, buy limit. This is a buy pending order you place below market price to open a buy order when price falls to that level. Explanation. This is a buy order you place below market price to buy when you feel after market falls to a certain price, it will start to buy. Sell limit. Opposite of buy limit. This is a pending order you place above market price to sell when price rises to that level. Explanation. This is a sell order you place above market price to sell when you feel after market rises to a certain price, it will start to sell. Sell stop limit. This order combines sell limit and sell stop. This is a sell stop order you place below market price to open a sell limit pending order above it when market trades below the sell stop price. Explanation. This order is used when if you think price falls to your sell stop price, it will go up small to trigger the sell limit before continuing to sell. This order can be used when you trade breakout and you feel price will retest the support to turn resistant. So you place your sell stop below support and sell limit at the support. It helps in good pricing, but the downside is price might not trigger your sell limit because some breakout happen without retest. Buy stop limit. Opposite of sell stop limit. This order combines buy limit and buy stop. This is a buy stop order you place above market price to open buy limit pending order below it when market trades above the buy stop price. Explanation. This order is used when you think if price rises to your buy stop, it will fall down small to trigger the buy limit before continuing to buy. This order can be used when you trade breakout and you feel price will retest the resistance to turn support. So you place your buy stop above resistance and buy limit at the resistance. It helps in giving good pricing, but the downside is price might not trigger your buy limit because some breakouts happen without retest. What is OCO? OCO, or in full, one cancel another, is a limit pending order with two directions, buy and sell. If one order is executed, the other is cancelled. OTO, or in full, one triggers another, is opposite of OCO. In this pending order, if one is triggered, the opposite order becomes a limit order instead of cancelling. Broker order terms. What is GFD? GFD in full, good for the day, are instructions you specify in your order to the broker when you open pending orders to cancel if it's not executed that same day. What is GTC? GTC in full, good till cancelled, are instructions you specify in your order to the broker not to cancel your order that same day till your indicated time. Order policy. What is fill or queue? Fill or queue are commands you give your broker to cancel your trade if the amount of order you place is not available. What is immediate or cancel? Immediate or cancel are commands you give your broker to place your order immediately, and if the amount you specified in your order is not available, they should cancel. Fill the available and cancel the remaining order. Bonus. What is base and code currencies? Base currency are the currency on your left, and code currency are the currency on your right. Base is your ask price and code is your bid price. Basically, if you want to buy the base, you buy at the ask price, and if you want to sell the quote, you buy at the bid price. Basically, if you want to buy the base, you buy at the ask price, and if you want to sell the quote, you buy at the bid price. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.